Come out of nowhere. To happen suddenly. That idea just came out of nowhere during the meeting. Lose track of time. To forget about time while doing something. I was scrolling and completely lost track of time. Go down that road. To choose a certain direction. I wouldn't go down that road if I were you. Be in over your head. To deal with something too difficult. He's in over his head with that new job. Take something the wrong way. To misunderstand someone's meaning. Don't take it the wrong way, I didn't mean to offend you. Come to terms with. To slowly accept something difficult. She's still coming to terms with what happened. Slip through the cracks. To be missed or forgotten. That email must have slipped through the cracks. Keep something in check. To control something so it doesn't get worse. He tries to keep his stress in check. Go back and forth. To be unable to decide or constantly change opinion. We kept going back and forth about the plan. Hit a wall. To reach a point where you can't progress. I hit a wall while studying and needed a break. Come across as. To give a certain impression to others. He comes across as very confident. Brush something off. To ignore something as unimportant. She brushed off the criticism. Get ahead of yourself. To think too far into the future too quickly. Don't get ahead of yourself, let's finish step 1 first. Play it by ear. To decide what to do as things happen. We don't have a plan, we'll just play it by ear. Fall into place. To start working out in a good way naturally. After a while, everything started to fall into place. Take something in stride. To handle a problem calmly. He took the bad news in stride. Miss the point. To not understand the main idea. I think you're missing the point of what I'm saying. Get something off your chest. To talk about something that's been bothering you. I needed to get it off my chest. Run out of steam. To lose energy or motivation. I was productive in the morning but ran out of steam later. Take it with a grain of salt. Don't fully believe something. Take online reviews with a grain of salt. Sleep on it. Think about something before deciding. I'll sleep on it and decide tomorrow. Let it slide. Ignore a mistake or problem. I'll let it slide this time. Come up short. Fail to reach a goal. We came up short in the final round. Take a toll on. Negatively affect someone over time. Stress is really taking a toll on him. Make up for. Compensate for something bad or missing. I'll make up for missing the meeting. Get carried away. Become too excited or extreme. I got carried away while talking. Blow over. A problem becomes less important over time. Don't worry, this will blow over soon. Come through. To succeed or deliver when needed. He came through when I needed help. Stick around. Stay for a while longer. I'll stick around after the meeting. Miss out on. Lose the chance to experience something. You don't want to miss out on this. Open up. Start sharing feelings or thoughts. He finally opened up about his past. Hit it off. Get along immediately with someone. We hit it off right away. Fall behind. Fail to keep up with something. I fell behind with my work. Step in. Intervene in a situation. She stepped in to calm things down. Make do. Manage with what you have. We had to make do with little money.